Righto, just leaving Buninyong Bakehouse. Chris, Barry, Andy and me. It is a wet, miserable day. Okay, so the plan is go through Crestweek, out to Castlemaine and out to Muckleford to see if we can find that Falcon. Yeah, beautiful countryside out here. Absolutely love it up this way. Yeah, Castlemaine's kind of that way. We're just coming into the Castlemaine Diggings area now. I should be on dirt very soon. Yeah, this is our Saw Pit Gully Lane. Let's go. This is reasonably dry out here. I was a bit worried it'd be too muddy. I think we might need a second to this hill though. Oh, far out. I don't remember it being this rough. Oh, we've got some hikers. G'day. Yeah, okay, that was interesting. I don't think that was where I was supposed to go though. Never mind. Right, are we on track? Yep. Looking good. I think this was Green Gully track. I might have turned off that. I'm not exactly sure what this one's called then. Now, if memory serves me correctly, there's a big gully here and a creek. Yep. What do we do? Go to the right. Stay on our feet. Beautiful, look at that. Looked a bit steep. Not too bad. Comes Barry on the CFMoto. Beautiful. Right, no, this is the rocky bit I'm thinking of. With a nice little cement culvert here, then a big hill. Okay, so this is going to join back up with Green Gully Road. We just had a little detour. Rightio, up and down track. This is a good fun track. This is where we've got to make a decision. Keep going easy or go hard. Yeah, I did this a little while ago and it was really dry then. I was a bit worried it was going to be too wet and muddy today, but tracks have been pretty good, so we'll give it a go. It is nice riding out here though. Most of it isn't too steep, but this track is. All the stuff I've done so far out here has been pretty easy going anyway. off camber. Okay, well, I guess we go the other way. Yeah, unfortunately we couldn't get to the old fireplace. They're doing some road works on the E49 track. It was in pretty bad condition when I did it last time, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like now. Hopefully they haven't taken the fun out of it. Anyway, we'll move on. Go see what Hunter's Lane looks like. That was a good track. We'll make our way to the Falcon in the tree. Anyway, yeah, that was quite interesting riding that TR. Not what I expected. Felt very, very small and light. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.